Hi everyone, this is Bhairab Samanta and welcome to your mathematics class Majar Ganit. Today we will discuss how to find the values of the trigonometric ratios for the angles 0 degree and 90 degree. Actually, this is the continuation of the series of trigonometric classes, and in the previous class we have just discussed how to find the values of the trigonometric ratios for various angles, let's say 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So in this class we will discuss for the angles 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so let's start. So we are going to find the values of sine 0 degree or cos 0 degree, tan 0 degree and so on. Also we will find the values of sine 90 degree, cos 90 degree, tan 90 degree and so on. Okay. So for that let us take two perpendicular lines, each of length r unit. Okay. So let us consider these are two perpendicular lines AB and BC, each of length r unit. Now we will draw an arc of radius r with center at B. Now if we consider a point P on the arc, then joining PB and a perpendicular line on BC through P, let's say PD. So we will have a right angle triangle BPD, right angle at D. Here the length of the hypotenuse, that is BP, is R. And if the point P moves along the arc, then we will have a different triangles. Let's say the new position of PB here, let's say this is P dash, then we will get a triangle of this type. Here this point, let's say D dash, so we will have a triangle, right angle triangle BP dash D, where the new angle will consider this angle as theta. So when the point P moves along the arc APC, then we will have different triangle of which the considered angle theta varies. Okay. Now you can easily observe, if the point P moves towards C, then the angle theta decreases, and if the point P moves towards A, then the angle theta will increase, and when P reaches at the point C, then the angle theta will be 0 degree. And in the similar manner, if the point reaches at A, if the point P reaches at A, then the angle theta will be equals to 90 degree. Okay, I hope you understand. So in this way, according to the position of P, the angle, the considered angle theta varies. Actually it varies from 0 degree to 90 degree. So for the values of the trigonometric ratios for the angle 0 degree, we will consider the point P at C, and for the angle 90 degree, we will consider the point P at A. So then what will we get? So actually when P reaches the point C, then the point P and C coincide and the angle is 0 degree, then the length BC and the length BP are obviously equal, both are equals to R. Okay, and the length PC is equals to 0. So again we will see the previous triangle. Here PD was the height or perpendicular. PD was the perpendicular and BP was the hypotenuse and BD was the base with respect to the angle theta. So here for the angle 0 degree, our perpendicular is PC, that is equals to 0, and hypotenuse, that is BP, that is equals to R, and obviously the base is also R. So what we have, sine 0 degree, that is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is equals to PC, PC by hypotenuse equals to BP, that is equals to 0 by R, so that is equals to 0. So we have sine 0 degree equals to 0. Similarly, cos 0 degree, cos 0 degree is equals to base by hypotenuse. Here the base is BC and hypotenuse is BP, but both are of length R unit. So R by R, that is equals to 1. So we get cos 0 degree equals to 1. Similarly, we can find tan 0 degree, that is equals to 0. So you can easily deduce the value of tan 0 degree in the similar manner by definition, or you can deduce it from tan 0 degree equals to sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree, that is 0 by 1 equals to 0. So we get sine 0 degree equals to 0, cos 0 degree equals to 1, and tan 0 degree equals to 0. And in the similar manner, you can find cosec 0 degree equals to, yes, there may be some confusion for cosec 0 degree. So we will discuss right now. And sec 0 degree equals to 1, and similarly tan 0 degree equals to clear your confusions. So by definition, cosec 0 degree, that is equals to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Okay, so hypotenuse, here hypotenuse is BP and perpendicular is PC. Hypotenuse, that is equals to of length R, and PC, that is equals to 0. So some non-zero quantity R by 0, that is undefined. This is undefined, or sometimes you may call it as infinity. Okay, so actually when some non-zero quantity is divided by 0, that quantity is undefined. Okay, so in this way you can say previously we call it tan 0. Actually tan 0 is 0 degree, it was our mistake. It should be cot 0 degree. So cot 0 degree is also undefined, or you may call it infinity. Okay. So now we are going to find the values of sine 90 degree, cos 90 degree, cos 90 degree, tan 90 degree, etc. So for that, we will consider the point P over the point A. Then we have already discussed the angle is 90 degree. So here for the angle theta equals to 90 degree, what we have? We have the foot of perpendicular from P on BC, that is D. It coincides with the point B. So here the length of base equals to BD, that is equals to 0, and the perpendicular, this is equals to PD, that is equals to same as the hypotenuse BP equals to R. Here BP is hypotenuse. Okay, so what we have? Base is 0, perpendicular is R, and hypotenuse is R. So by definition, sine 90 degree equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is equals to R by R. Here perpendicular is PD and hypotenuse is BP. Both are equals to R unit. So that is equals to 1. So we have sine 90 degree equals to 1. Now we will find the value of cos 90 degree. So cos 90 degree is equals to base by hypotenuse. Here our base is VD and length of VD is obviously 0 and hypotenuse is BP. So 0 by R, that is equals to 0. So what we get? Cos 90 degree equals to 0. So now we will find tan 90 degree, the value of tan 90 degree. So tan 90 degree equals to perpendicular by base. Here perpendicular equals to PD and base equals to BD. So PD equals to R and BD is 0. So again some non-zero quantity divided by 0. So this is undefined. So tan 90 degree is undefined. Similarly, we can find the values of cosec 90 degree, sec 90 degree and cot 90 degree. Actually, we may find this value from the definition directly, or we can find this value by the property that cosec 90 degree is the reciprocal of sine 90 degree, and similarly sec 90 degree is the reciprocal of cos 90 degree and cot 90 degree is the reciprocal of tan 90 degree. Actually, by definition, cosec 90 degree equals to hypotenuse by perpendicular. So here hypotenuse is BP and perpendicular is PD. So both are of length R unit. So this is equals to 1. Similarly, sec 90 degree equals to hypotenuse by base. Here length of hypotenuse is of R unit and length of base, that is BD, is of 0 unit. So again this is undefined. So the value of sec 90 degree is undefined. and you may also find the value of cot 90 degree. So that is equals to base by perpendicular. Here base is 0 and the perpendicular length of perpendicular is r, so that is equals to 0. So we have seen how to calculate or how to find the values of the ratios sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot for the angle 0 degree and 90 degree. I hope you enjoyed the class, and that's it for today. We will discuss some more topics in the next class. Until then, goodbye and have a nice day.